Reba kuri izo nteruro ebyiri, he might be working or he might have been working. Ese bitandukaniye he? Reka dutangire kuri he might be working. He might be working, formule yayo dufata might tugateranyaho be tugateranyaho verb iri muri ing form. Hano naho uba utekereza ko igikorwa cyaba kiri gukorwa ubu ngubu. Iyi might be ikoreshwa muri present situation. Urugero dushobora kuvuga ngo don't call him, he might be working. Ntumuhamagare, ashobora kuba ari gukora. Ntabwo tuzi neza yuko ari gukora, ariko turi gutekereza ko ashobora kuba ari gukora. Nuko nabivuze haruguru, don't call him, ntumuhamagare, he might be working, ashobora kuba ari gukora. Iyi tuyikoresha muri present situation. Interuro ya kabiri, he might have been working. Formule yayo dufata might tugateranyaho have been tugateranyaho verb iri muri ing form. Hano naho uba uri gutekereza yuko yaba yari ari gukora muri past ku gihe runaka, gusa ntabwo bizi neza ko yari ari gukora. Ni ukuvuga ngo iyi ikoreshwa muri past situation. So urugero nshobora kuvuga ngo he didn't answer earlier, he might have been working. Ntabwo yageze asubiza hakiri kare cyangwa se ntabwo yageze asubiza kare, ashobora kuba yari ari gukora. Turi gukeka ko yari ari gukora mu gihe cyashize, gusa ntabwo turi sure neza. Iyi might have been ikoreshwa muri past, then might be igakoreshwa muri present. So nimba wamaze kumva ubusobanuro, you can answer this question in comment section. Subiza kino kibazo muri comment section. He looks very tired, he all night yesterday. Ntibagirwe kujya kuri YouTube channel yacu yitwa God's First English, ndetse n'umuntu ushaka kwigana natwe, nimero zanjye ngizaho ngaho ushobora guhita unyandikira. Ikindi ntibagirwe gusubiza kino kibazo muri comment section.